Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Thompson 253 Hotel, engine failure. We are continuing with northwesterly and then inbound towards Wallasey.
Thompson 263 Hotel, roger. All runways available for landing, surface wind 070 degrees at 5 knots.
Manchester, Mayday 263 Hotel.
Mayday 263 Hotel, all runways available. Advise me if you wish vectors or continue visually for 06 left or right, surface wind 060 degrees at 5.
That's all understood, sir. What we are doing is heading in a northwesterly direction. We'd like to establish on the inbound radial 084 towards Wallasey, climb to 3,500 feet, and then we will advise you of our intentions.
Thompson 263 Hotel, roger. You may do that 3,500 feet, 084 radial towards Wallasey, and keep me advised if you wish further climb.
We'll do Mayday Thompson 263 Hotel.
And Thompson 263 Hotel, runway 09 at Liverpool is also available should you so wish. Keep me advised.
Hey, from Thompson 263 Hotel.
Thompson 263 Hotel, if you wish, change to Manchester approach frequency is 121.350 or stay with me, whichever you prefer.
Okay, 121350, just to give you a heads up, we're maintaining 3.5, heading towards the hold at Wallasey. I think we'll be taking up the hold and now I intend to return back into Manchester 6 right.
Thank you very much. Just confirm 6 right is your preferred runway?
Hey, sir.
Thank you. I'll keep them advised, and if you contact 121.350.
Buddy. Approach, good morning. Mayday, Thompson 263 Hotel, maintaining altitude 3,500 feet, inbound towards Wallasey.
Thompson 263 Hotel, Manchester approach, roger, Mayday, squawk 7700.
Squawking 7700, to reiterate our intentions, we are heading towards the hold at Wallasey. We would like to take up the hold 03 left turn to prepare for a return into Manchester 06 right.
Thompson 263 Hotel, roger, just continue own navigation as required, maintain altitude 3,500 feet, QNH is 1023 millibars.
All understood on the QNH 1023, Mayday Thompson 263 Hotel.
Thompson 263 Hotel, runway 6 left is closed at Manchester due to debris on the runway from your engine.
Roger, Thompson 263 Hotel.
Mayday, Thompson 263 Hotel, further information for you.
Go ahead, sir.
Okay, it looks like it may have been a bird strike. There's bird debris on the runway as well.
That concurs with what we saw out the window and the reaction we had from the engine.
Thompson 263 Hotel, roger. And Liverpool Airport is still available to you. The landing distance available there is 2225 metres, and I have all the ILS frequencies, etc. when you need it, if you need it.
Understood, sir. Just to reiterate, we would like to return to 06 right at Manchester.
Roger.
Manchester, Thompson 263 Hotel, would like 15 miles final.
Thompson 260 Hotel, roger. Turn right heading 135 degrees.
Right heading 135 degrees, Thompson 260 Hotel. Mayday Thompson 263 Hotel, just to confirm, sir, when we do land on 06 right, we're not anticipating any problems in vacating the runway. We would, however, of course, request fire support and a visual inspection of the brakes before we vacate, but subject to that, we should be able to vacate and stop on the parallel.
Okay, Thompson 260 Hotel, roger. That is understood. There is an airfield full emergency. You have both the local airfield fire service and the outside fire service on standby.
Understood, 263 Hotel. Tower Mayday 263 Hotel, established on the glide 06 right.
Mayday 263 Hotel, hello to you. You are clear to land, runway 06 right, the surface wind is calm.
Clear to land 06 right, Thompson 263 Hotel. Just to reiterate, sir, we can expect to vacate the runway when we land. We would, of course, expect we need a brake inspection. The left engine will still be running. Subject to that being okay, we can vacate and stop on the parallel.
Also 263 Hotel, roger. And if you can take the second exit, please, or later, just to miss the first one, take the second or later exit.
Roger.
Check, wind is calm. Top 3 via Yankee 1 into runway 06 right.
Top 3, Yankee 1 into 6 right.
Man 53, he's entering 06 right.
Man 53, yes, you can enter runway 06 right now.
Cheers. 260 Hotel, vacating runway.
1200. Thomson 263 Hotel, roger. Left turn there and then you can stop wherever you wish and the fire vehicles will approach your aircraft.
Thomson 260 Hotel. Uh, 263 Hotel, just to confirm, sir, the left engine will still be running.
I'll just confirm you do realize the left engine is still running, will be still running.
Nathan.
I'm up 54. 154, tower.
Requested the aircraft holds where he is now. We're going to have a quick look before he proceeds over.
Thomson 263 Hotel, just confirm you got your brakes on.
Nathan, Thomson 260 Hotel.
Tower, Mumfire 1, vacated 06 right.
151, roger.
Mumfire 3 is vacated 06 right.
153, roger.
Uh, 263 Hotel, thank you very much for your help. Just to advise, will you be following us to stand, sir?
That's affirmative, we'll follow you to stand over.
Thank you very much indeed. There'll be delayed just a couple of minutes before we can start to roll again.
Roger.
Tower, Thomson 263 Hotel, we are ready for taxi.
Thomson 263 Hotel, roger, and I understand from that you're okay to go on your own steam?
Affirm, Thomson 263 Hotel.
Roger. Thomson 263 Hotel, taxi to holding point Delta Zulu 1 to hold short of runway 06 left.
Delta Zulu 1, hold short of 06 left, Thomson 263 Hotel. And from Mayday, Thomson 263 Hotel.
Thomson 263 Hotel, pass message.
Yeah, just to advise, we're still relatively heavy on this one engine. When we do get clearance to cross 06 left, we will of course be requesting a non-stop taxi back to stand, wherever that might be.
Okay, I'll prime the guys for that.
Just let me look at the works in progress. We'll try our best to get round and just see how it goes on the one engine, but there's some fairly tight turns there just to advise.
Okay, no problem at all. We have got a tug standing by, so if you want to cross and then stop and we'll get a tug onto you and tow you around, that's fine by us.
I think what we're happy to do with the conditions is try it on this engine. If there are any problems at all, of course, we'll stop and get the tug.